After I get some homework done, when I go back home, school
Yeah.
assignment on algebra that I gotta turn
Oh,
in.
see, that's what happened, then I took all the rest of it out. Right? That's all I had with me.
Turn it for that?
Is that Hello Kitty?
Okay.
I will.
Oh, and the pink
I'll give him.
pen.
I'll make sure he gets it today.
See? More pens.
All right, you two, bud. Take care. Thanks for calling.
Never get that.
Yep, that's it for today.
She likes your
I
dress.
just got a
Mom.
dead
I
shit.
love your dress.
Ron.
A dead shit.
That's my
Ron said
address.
happy Father's Day. Ron Dover. Oh, he just called me. I told him we were having a get together, so I told him I'd talk to him about it.
I do way more. You have a Hello Kitty hat.
I call him.
Oh, I have Hello Kitty hat, hair clips, and jewelry, and I'm telling you, I took a lot out to make the trip. Too much in the purse.
What?
I have a Hello Kitty. I have a Hello Kitty.
It's still
Asha, when we
recording?
worked at Walmart, there was a huge sign, you know, they put it up in the girls department.